Okay, so I already have my resin and glitters pre-mixed. So this first glitter I'm using is from Lyracy, but it's basically little tiny pink iridescent hearts. So I would usually use like a gold foil mixed with resin for this area, but I wanted to try it with the hearts and see how it came out. So I'm just going to be putting those in two corners. So now I have it's a very fine pink glitter, and I'm just going to be pouring that around the resin we just laid, and I'm going to do the exact same on the other side. I'm just going to be mirroring what I do on both sides. So now I have a gold. I'm going to do the same thing, go on the outskirts of the previous layer. Such a gorgeous gold. So now I'm taking a chunkier pink holographic glitter, and once again putting it on the outskirts of the previous layer. So now I'm going to go back in with the same one we used as for our second layer and just do another layer of that one. Then I'm going to take the gold. I thought it just needed a little bit more gold, so that's why I am using that instead of the... No, that's the layer that comes after that one. Just kidding. I'm using the gold because that's the order that I was doing it in. And because I have a little bit more of the chunky pink glitter mixed with resin, I'm going to put that in between our first and second layer. This was looking a little boring on the ends. I don't have enough to do that side, so I'm going to, well, first I'm going to add more of that second layer to the layers I put down. And it was just looking kind of sheer, so I just wanted to add some more. And then I'm going to take that gold and put that in between our first and second layer, since I had something in between the first and second layer on the opposite side. Just trying to make things look even here. Really no rhyme or reason to my madness. I just kind of go with the flow. So now I'm taking my heat gun and I'm just getting rid of any air bubbles. So for the handles, instead of using like the typical gold bars, I am going to be using these crystal, they're like knobs for drawers, but I saw this on a tray, I think on Pinterest, and I was like, that looks so cute. So I'm like, let's try it. And I stand up just to make sure that they're even on both sides. And yeah, then we'll let it cure. So we are going to be unmolding our tray here. But I did just want to show you the glitters that I used because I wasn't showing you them in the video when I was making it because I had everything pre-mixed. But they are some glitters from Lyracy. So this is fluorescent pink high brightness glitter. This is luxury gold fine glitter. And then we have fluorescent magenta high brightness iridescent glitter. Oh, I don't have the other one, but it was little hearts. I don't know if you can see there, but there's little hearts in it. So let's unmold. Ooh, this is so pretty. So now what I am going to do is take this Decocolor Premium paint marker in gold, and this just kind of makes it a little bit more elegant, and I'm going to go around the edges with it. You can see there. But as you can see, this is what it looks like with the gold, and then here is what it just looks like regular. So you can see how it just kind of elevates the look of it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'm just gonna finish this. Yeah. Alright guys, thanks for watching.